Hey there, parents and guardians. If you're using Gohenry to help your kids manage their money, you might need to transfer funds out of their account. Maybe to cover a big purchase or move money back to your own account. In this quick guide for 2025, I'll walk you through the process step by step. It's super straightforward, but always double check to avoid any hiccups. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have the Gohenry app installed on your phone and that you're logged in with your parent account. If you haven't updated the app recently, do that now because Gohenry rolls out new features every year, and 2025 brings some fresh improvements for smoother transfers. Once you're in, head to the main dashboard. Look for the Accounts or Money Management tab. It's usually at the bottom of the screen. Tap on your child's account to view their balance. Now, find the Transfer or Withdraw option. It might be under a menu icon like 3 dots or a gear symbol. Gohenry has made this easier in 2025 with a dedicated Funds Out button for quicker access. Next, select the type of transfer. You can choose to send money to your linked bank account or another card. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Remember, Gohenry has daily limits to protect against fraud, so if you're moving a larger sum, you might need to do it in parts. Double-check the details, like the recipient account and the amount, to ensure everything's correct. Then, hit Confirm, and you'll get a verification code sent to your email or phone for security. After verification, the transfer should process within 1 to 3 business days, depending on your bank. Keep an eye on your transaction history in the app to track it. One tip. If you're transferring for a specific reason, like reimbursing yourself for an allowance advance, make a note in the app's memo section. And that's it. You've successfully transferred money out of Gohenry. This process keeps things safe and educational for your kids. If you run into any issues, check the help section in the app or contact Gohenry support. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more parenting and finance tips. See you next time.